Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. I warmly welcome you guys. So today's session is about the route map for learning the Swift language. Okay. So almost all topics we will cover in the upcoming sessions. For example, these are the some topics, and these are some more main topics, and these are main important topics, and these are also very important topics. So all these things we will discuss one by one in the upcoming sessions, and you can mark this video as a reference, or you can note down the topics from this video. Let's dive into the today's session. Why Swift? Why Apple introduced the Swift language? If something is introducing, means previously there were some problems, right? That programmers were facing the problems. Let's know what are the problems were facing previously by the developers. So previously Apple was using Objective-C language. Even nowadays also, even some projects are still there in combination of Swift and Objective-C. Still it is continuing, but Apple recommends using the Swift language. Okay, so but why Apple introduced the Swift language? What are the problems we faced while using the Objective-C language? So basically guys, Objective-C is nothing but C language only, but it is object oriented type. I mean, it is written on top of the C language. So basically iOS, Mac OS applications are completely using C language, C++ libraries along with the Objective-C code. So sorry. So C++, base C++ and Objective-C have some problems. Basically those we can't say like problems, but these languages will give more responsibility to the programmer, such that programmer has to handle every use case in a safely manner. Okay, and before guys, C++ are system level languages, like operating system languages. You know operating system, right? Operating system has so many management tasks, like file management, memory management, security, so on. So many management tasks it has. So basically these languages provides everything to manage the things separately, like by the developer only, completely by the programmer only. Let's think like operating system is managing file management, memory management, network management, access management, security management, these things, right? I mean, these languages are actually giving the control to the operating system to do these things. In the same way, these languages, C++, these languages leaves the responsibility to the developer to handle all the use cases. For example, right now what are the challenges developers are facing is null pointer exception, memory management, error handling, exceptional handling. So so whenever your program tries to access the null pointer, your program will get crashed. So that's why developer has to handle that null pointer exception particularly. Even memory management he has to handle, exceptional handling, error handling, he has to handle all these things on his, I mean, spending more time on these things. Okay, I mean, these languages are giving the more controller to the developer side only. Developer are the responsibility to handle all the safety measurement, right? So to, for example, to handle the null pointer exception, he has to write some more lines of code every time for every pointer in such a way that it should never crash even though when you access it. You need to write the code like that. So here developer is spending more time on writing this null pointer exception, and even for memory management, even exceptional handling, error handling, right? These are unnecessarily increasing the developer's efforts. These are the problems that uh, previously Apple developers were facing in Objective-C language. Okay, you should not confuse uh, why I am saying C++, but we previously we were using the Objective-C, but Objective-C also has null pointer exception. I mean, Objective-C has some control automatically, but not fully. Even C++ also have little bit control, but not like Objective-C. But C, it doesn't have any control. It gives complete controller to the developer. So basically, if you talk generally, if someone who is the C programmer, he has to take control for everything. That language itself cannot handle automatically. Developer has to handle everything. Same for C++, but C++ may automatically do some task. Even Objective-C may do some automatic task. But considering these things, Apple introduced the Swift language in 2014 to take control all these problems on itself. I mean, it will automatically do null pointer without crashing, and memory management, and exceptional handling, error handling. Swift automatically will take control over automatically from the developer. So Swift will automatically give the increases the time to spend time on other areas. Like he can focus on the iOS app system design in a better way. So here Swift is actually decreasing the efforts for the developer, since it will automatically handle these cases. That's why Swift came into the existence. Okay, hope you guys got it. So these are the topics we will be covering one by one in the upcoming sessions, like Swift syntax basics, variables, constants, data types, operators, strings, characters, tuples, arrays, sets, dictionaries, control flow, loops, and important functions, closures, optionals, nil coalescing, error handling, structs, classes, inheritance, enums, associated values, protocols, protocol extensions, generics, opaque types, properties, property observers, type properties, initializers, convenience initializers, failable initializers, deinitializers, value types and reference types, automatic reference count and memory management, strong, weak, unknown, what is the difference between them, access control, typecasting, any and any object, what is the difference between them, subscripts, pattern matching, and then higher order functions, functional programming basics, result type, key parts, and recently introduced Swift concurrency, task and task group, asynchronous sequence, actors, sendables, Swift standard libraries, Swift package manager, and how to write a clean Swift code, what are the best practices in Swift language. These things will cover in the upcoming session. Please stay tuned. I'll post the next video in the upcoming days. Stay tuned. Please subscribe if you don't subscribe, so that you will get the notification whenever I post the videos for about the topics. Thanks for watching, guys. Your support means a lot. We will discuss in such a way that you can easily understand in a better way, in an imaginative way. Even we'll discuss these things in Telugu also. Even I'm a Telugu guy, so we'll discuss in Telugu also. You can post into the comments. I will reply whenever I'm possible. So hope you guys understand why Apple introduced the Swift language for today's topic. Okay, please guys subscribe this channel. Please have a word with your friends so that they will also learn the Swift language, and slowly you can easily become iOS developer, I mean iOS engineer. Even you can cover in the upcoming sessions. After this Swift language, I will do post videos about the how to develop iOS applications, how to develop applications for Mac OS, and many things we will discuss. Okay, please stay tuned, please subscribe, please support me. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you guys.